what's up Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? This time I'm gonna show you the latest news of Dogecoin to Elon Musk. Especially tweeted the highlight tweeted. You can see here this time the Dogecoin price hit 0.291 US dollar regularly RS21 on Friday. Absolutely, you can see here today is a Friday, my friend, and Elon Musk tweeted this specially tweet. You can see here on 16 April 2021. You can see here the date is 16 April 2021. 12:35 first. You can see here Jagmeet Singh this time copy this tweet and forward here. So you can see here the Dogecoin price hit to 0.291 price. So let's see they can hit it absolutely or not. You can see here the second one. The cryptocurrency has often been promoted by Elon Musk. So absolutely they promoted, and this time today is a day of Dogecoin. Absolutely, Dogecoin is moving very fastly forward. Let's see to this time you can see as 0.26. Oh my goodness, they absolutely got up, my friend. And the Dogecoin gone in the moon. Absolutely, my friends, today is a good day for Dogecoin holder. You can see here they're going very fastly, my friends. Congratulations. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. They make you millionaire, absolutely, and one day they make you millionaire. You can see here Dogecoin for the chain occur 2.23% they going up, and this time you can see here the Dogecoin hit. I hope it's the mid of the night, or they can easily hit at 0.29. Absolutely, and this time you can see here 0.26. This but the target as 0.29. So what you say, they can hit 0.29? I think they can easily hit it, and this is easily tossed. So I think the Elon Musk is absolutely right, and I hope they're going up in the moon. My friends, my millionaire brother, ready for moon? Are you ready? Please, if you are ready, then please like this video, and subscribe for more latest news. I am updating you of any cryptocurrency, so please click out the subscribe button. Hope you subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.